Welcome to another Java tutorial series. Today I will show you how you can pass the command line arguments from the terminal in Java program. So for example, I have a class called commandline.java. So I can pass the command line arguments like this. So Java is a command and we are passing the command line. So this is name of the class file and I am passing first argument. So it is printing argument 1 is Deepak and argument 2 is Kumar. So let's see how this is achieved into the Java program. So I already written the example code command line.java. So let me explain you. So this is a public class with the name command line and it is saved into the file name called commandline.java, and here the public static void main function is there, which is taking a string array as an argument to this main method. So whatever we are writing here after the class name, this is all the arguments after that is converted into the command line arguments. Now it is the third argument. So we can pass any number of argument into the Java program, and all these values is filled into this variable args, which is a string array, and here we are getting the number of items into the argument. And then we are converting it to a string array, and if the number of item is greater than 0, then we have some arguments inside this variable, and if this is 0 means there is no argument. So we have for loop for iterating through all the arguments and printing here. So system.out.println argument first is equal to args.I index, and it is printing. We are getting all these values here, which is printed onto the console. So it's very easy to take the arguments in Java programming language. What you have to do is define the main method, which is a default method in a Java program, and it is the entry point into your Java program, and it takes the args as a variable, and it is. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.